Barber CVO in the building, baby.
So, doing a quick little vlog on the upcoming events that I'm going to be at for the next couple of months. We'll be in Daytona March 5th and a little bit of the 6th because I'm coming back home. Then I'll be back, if the weather's good, March 8th. I'm going to spend the whole entire day over there. So make sure you guys come check me out. Tune in to my Instagram, Barber CVO _19, and that will let you know exactly where I'm gonna be at, what I'm doing. I will be with Robert Simmons, and I will be with Cycle Fanatics. We'll be at Destination Daytona, and we'll be around, you know, doing meet and greets. So make sure you guys tune in to my Instagram one more time, Barber CVO _19. All right. So that will be for Daytona. I will be June 9th and 10th. I will be in Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee, for the Traveling Tall Run to the Hills 3. So make sure you tune into that. I will be there as well. More further dates. I will be in Americade. I'm gonna try to make it to Americade this year. And also, where else? Yeah, wherever it may take me. I'm definitely gonna Myrtle Beach. I'll be in Myrtle Beach also this year. It's very close to my house too as well. And any other events that will be down there anywhere in the year, I'm definitely gonna try to ride out a lot this year. So make sure you tune in to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit your like button. And yeah, that's about it. So this was a little announcement of what's gonna go on in the year 2023. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. Just subscribe, guys. It only takes a button away. The more you guys subscribe, the more my channel will be going up even more, and the more I will be posting videos. All right. So let's get to 5,000 subscribers and many more. All right. Thank you, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.